The 2017-2019 GMC Acadia uses GM's oil life monitoring system to track oil degradation based on driving conditions, not just mileage. This video will show you how to reset the system and clear the oil change due light after you've changed your oil. Resetting ensures accurate reminders and optimal engine health. Always change the oil before resetting. The oil life monitoring system in your 2017-2019 GMC Acadia dynamically estimates oil quality using real-time factors like engine temperature, vehicle speed, and idling time. The oil life percentage appears on the Driver Information Center, starting at 100% immediately after an oil change and reset. It gradually decreases over time as the oil degrades from factors like heat, speed variations, and extended idling periods. When the oil life reaches 0% or approaches critical levels, the oil change due light illuminates on the dashboard to alert you. This intelligent system promotes proactive maintenance by indicating when an oil change is truly needed, helping you avoid both premature replacements and the risk of engine damage from worn-out oil. Turn the ignition to the on-run position, but do not start the engine. Fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times within 5 seconds. The DIC should display Oil Life Reset or a confirmation message. If it doesn't work, cycle the ignition off and on and repeat the process. Resetting the oil life monitor after each oil change is crucial. It prevents the oil change due light from displaying prematurely or inaccurately. Resetting without changing the oil can lead to inaccurate readings, potential engine damage, and void your warranty. Treat the light as a reminder system, not a hard and fast rule, and always prioritize engine health. Sometimes the oil life reset fails on your 2017-2019 GMC Acadia. A common cause is a weak battery with voltage below 12.6 volts. Ensure your battery is healthy before attempting the reset. Aftermarket oil filters or non-GM approved oils can also interfere with the reset process. If the reset consistently fails, a sensor fault may be present in your vehicle's system. Consult a mechanic for proper diagnostics if the problem persists. GM-certified technicians emphasize the reset's simplicity, but warn of potential pitfalls that can lead to reset failures or engine damage. A common mistake is impatience during the pedal sequence. Ensure you fully depress the accelerator pedal each time within the 5-second window. Turn off all accessories like the radio and air conditioning during the reset to minimize electrical draw on the battery. Always complete an actual oil change before performing the reset to avoid inaccurate readings and potential engine issues down the road. Statistics show that 65% of mechanics encounter incorrect resets monthly, often due to user impatience. Case studies reveal weak batteries can cause failures, and improper resets may void warranties. Finally, check your battery health and use GM-approved oils to maintain warranty compliance and prevent reset failures. Automotive maintenance is shifting toward digital systems. Newer GMC models starting from 2024 may offer app-based resets through GM's connected services, allowing remote monitoring and resets without manual steps. Expect full app-based resets to become more common in the future, potentially via smartphone integration as part of GM's broader digital overhaul. Trends point to more autonomous maintenance, with AI-assisted systems reducing manual interventions. However, for your 2017-2019 Acadia, the pedal-based method will remain until the vehicle's end of life. To recap, the oil life reset on your 2017-2019 GMC Acadia is a simple but vital process. Always change your oil before resetting, follow the pedal sequence carefully, and address any reset issues promptly. Regular maintenance and proper resets ensure your Acadia's engine stays healthy for years to come.